Hello, my name is Brianna Baber. I'm a junior social work major, and I did my research study on happiness and pet ownership. Background. Although human relationships and companionship with a pet are extremely different, existing research shows that the benefits humans receive from each may be similar. Research shows that the companionship that a pet can offer is a great way to reduce anxiety and stress, as well as provide a sense of meaning and security. Pets can also be a great source of comfort and motivation in one's life. My research question was, how is human well-being and happiness impacted by pet ownership? Method. So my design, I did a survey research design. My survey consisted of a variety of multiple choice, short answer, and Likert scale questions. My survey was distributed via social media and email, and the data was collected using Google Forms. My total sample size included 33 participants. 81.8% were female, while 18.2% were male. Of these participants, 54.5% were single, 42.4% married, and 3% were divorced. And these participants ranged between ages 22 and 77. Measures. My independent variable was pet ownership status. This was measured by having the participants identify their status, and then they were also asked a series of questions about this category. The dependent variable was happiness levels. The dependent variable was measured by having the participants answer a series of questions rating their well-being and happiness levels. All of these questions were asked by using the Likert scale. Participants would measure on a scale of 1 to 6, 1 being strongly disagree, while 6 was strongly agree. 2 qualitative questions included in my survey. How does having a pet affect your day? So respondents were able to expand on how specifically their pet impacts their day, whether it be physically or emotionally or in another way. Another question was, how do you feel when you interact with your pet? So this gave the participants a way to describe how interacting with their pet actually made them feel, whether that is positively or negatively. Data analysis. The univariate analysis of the independent variable, which was pet ownership. Of the total sample, 93.9% were pet owners, while 6.1% reported they did not own a pet. These findings demonstrated that there were more pet owners than not that responded to this study. The univariate analysis of the dependent variable, which was the impact on happiness. Of the total sample, 93.1% of the respondents reported that when interacting with their pet or an animal, they felt greater happiness, while 6.9% reported that interaction with their pet or an animal resulted in stress or other negative activities or feelings. These findings demonstrate the majority of respondents experience greater happiness levels due to interacting with their pet. Bivariate analysis. 84% of the pet owners reported increased happiness and mood while interacting with their pet, while the remaining reported feeling increased stress or negative feelings. Of the non-pet owners, 50% reported increased happiness and mood while interacting with someone else's pet or an animal, while the other half reported stress or negative feelings due to being around the animal. Two themes I noticed amongst my qualitative data was that many talked about how having a pet was a source of emotional support for them. If they were having a bad day or maybe a rough week or so, many had talked about how they cling to their pet for emotional support. Another theme that I noticed was that many felt happier just being around their pet. Maybe coming home from work or school. They get home and they enjoyed being greeted by their pet at the door, and it just made them happier having their pet around. So the graph on the left shows the results illustrating that over 3/4 of pet owners in the study felt having a pet positively impacted them, while the other less than a quarter felt that it was a negative impact. The graph on the right shows that 50% of the non-pet owners felt a positive impact even though they didn't own a pet. They felt a positive impact while interacting with others' pets or another animal, while the other half felt a negative impact. Findings. In my samples, results showed that owners felt more security, love, worth, happiness, and other positive feelings due to being a pet owner. Few felt that pets added stress or other negative feelings to their life. And most responses to qualitative and probe questions resulted in expansion of benefits that one feels they receive from their pets. One participant even talked about how they are actually allergic to their pets, but having their pets outweighed that negative aspect of being allergic to them because of the benefits they felt they received from owning them. Future research. So this definitely sparked my my interest in the specific benefits on human and mental health, human mental and physical health, excuse me, that result from having a pet. I'm interested in the specific effect on mental illness and symptoms that come along with that. So how big of an impact can having a pet play on things such as depression and anxiety, and reducing the symptoms that come along with those? I was also interested in the physical health aspect of that. Does having a pet tend to increase physical activity or lower blood pressure, or other things related to physical health? Another thing I was interested in is there an age range that tends to benefit more or even less from having pets? I was thinking about widows and the older generational community and how a lot of them suffer from just like extreme loneliness. Um, and I was interested in seeing how having a pet impacted that. I also think it would be interesting to be able to do a study showing like the before and after effect on a first-time pet owner to see what results would show in that way.